YouTube just recently rolled out a new way of making money as a YouTube creator on their platform, and the new money making feature is called Super Thanks. YouTube is still currently beta testing the new money making feature, and it's available just to a group of monetized channels, but YouTube is working on expanding it to more creators and more channels by the end of this year. Luckily for us, this channel is amongst the group of channels beta testing the new feature, and in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to enable Super Thanks on your YouTube channel. Now, Super Thanks is a feature that YouTube had already tested on this platform, and at the time it was called Viewer Applause, which basically allows viewers to pay money to support their favorite YouTube creators. That means your viewers can start paying you as a creator anywhere between $2 to $50, and the viewers who buy the Super Thanks will be able to easily interact with you as a channel creator. YouTube will highlight the comments made by the viewers who buy the Super Thanks in the comments section, and that will make it easy for the creator to easily spot out the comments from among other comments to reply to them first. Let me know after watching this video what you think about the new Super Thanks monetization option on YouTube. In this video, we are going to be looking at which countries are allowed to test the new monetization feature, the requirements needed, how to check if your channel is eligible, how to enable your channel for Super Thanks, and finally, what types of videos are allowed to be monetized with Super Thanks. But before we get into all that, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in starting an automation channel and making money with it here on YouTube, make sure to check out the automation channel ideas and tips that pops up on the top right of this video, and don't also forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's get cracking. Here is a list of about 68 countries that YouTube is currently testing the Super Thanks feature. And again, YouTube says that will expand to other countries before the end of this year. The only problem with this new feature is that YouTube again allows only channels that have been or will be monetized. That means your channel needs to be monetized before YouTube will allow you to start using the Super Thanks feature. And as you well know, to be monetized here on YouTube, your channel first needs to meet the YouTube requirements. YouTube requires channels to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before it's enabled for monetization. So how do you go about enabling the Super Thanks feature on your channel? Make sure to hit the like button below this video and keep watching if you would like to watch me how I enable this channel for the Super Thanks feature. Now, if your channel is already monetized and you are in one of the 68 beta testing countries, YouTube will send you an email letting you know your channel is enabled for the feature. Now, another way for checking if your channel is enabled for Super Thanks is by signing into your YouTube channel studio page and click on the monetization option here on the left menu. Here is where you see all the different ways you can use to make money on your channel. As you can see in this case, this channel is enabled for YouTube ads as well as membership, which basically allows fans to pay a monthly fee and get access to members only badges like emojis and perks. So as a creator here on YouTube running a membership, you will receive 70% of the membership revenue after applicable taxes and fees have been deducted. Now, the last option here for monetization is the Super option, which includes Super Chat, stickers, and the new Super Thanks. These are all different options that YouTube is giving you as a creator to make money from your channel viewers who want to support you and your channel for the effort you have been providing them. Now, if this is your first time in the Super section, all you have to do is follow the on-screen instructions after clicking on this button to get started. So if you don't see the Super section, that means you still don't have access yet. Let me just walk you through the on-screen steps that you need to follow. So click on the Get Started button, and on the next page, you want to read through the comments product terms. Then you want to accept the terms by signing with your name, your email address, and your company name, because the money you get from Super Thanks may be treated differently based on laws that apply to you and your activities. Finally, you also want to check this box to agree with these terms. Now, once you go through all that and you see Super Thanks here on the top right with the on and off button next to it, that means you have access to Super Thanks. If you don't see it though, that means you currently don't have any access. YouTube is currently not taking any access requests, unfortunately. So if you don't have the feature yet, you have to stay tuned as YouTube roll the feature more broadly at the end of this year. Now that you know how to enable Super Thanks on your YouTube channel, the next question now is, what types of videos can you monetize with Super Thanks? So although you might have Super Thanks enabled on your channel, you still cannot monetize all the videos you upload on your channel with the Super Thanks feature. For a start, Super Thanks is not available for age-restricted videos. That means if you upload a video or you have already uploaded a video preventing any age group from watching the video, you will not be able to monetize the video with Super Thanks. Of course, you will not be able to monetize unlisted and private videos as well. Videos marked with made for kids or content ID will also not be able to be monetized with Super Thanks. Fundraising videos and live streaming or premiere videos will also be handicapped with the new monetization option. But of course, after the live streaming or premiere is finished, the video will be archived as a regular video, so you have the option of monetizing it with Super Thanks. Now, before I let you go and start making money with Super Thanks, it's important to note that YouTube also has reserved the right to terminate access to Super Thanks on any channel. Here is what YouTube had to say about all that. Super Thanks isn't a crowdfunding or donation tool. Options to fundraising on YouTube can be found here. You can click that and check that out. You are responsible for understanding and fully complying with all applicable laws. This includes whether you can enable, offer, send, and receive money from Super Thanks. YouTube continues here to say that they use signals to identify potential abusive or fraudulent behaviors, and if they detect any of the signals, they will terminate access to your channel Super Thanks monetization option. So there you have it. You can now head off and start making money by just answering people's comments on your channel. But before you do that, make sure to hit the like button below this video if you haven't already done so. Share it on your preferred social site to help others monetize their own videos, and be rest assured they will thank you for that. And finally, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.